lots of card making and things like that, but maybe you want to turn them into a box, a gift box, a decorative box. For $22.95, it'll be the best money you ever spent. You'll be able to turn anything into the box using these dies. These are the two dies that you get for a small box or a large box. And our guest, Stephanie Bernard, will be the first one to tell you that these dies do not look sexy, but they are very functional. Hey, Stephanie, not sexy dies yet, but wait till you see what it creates, right?
But they are dies that you are going to use for the rest of your life. Why is that? Because we all have card making dies, we all have scrapbooking dies, but what if we took all of those dies and made it into a box? Look at how cute this little box is. This is literally just a scrapbooking or a card making die that I have turned into a box. So easy. Here's another example. Here's a cute little card, but you know what? Look, I can turn it into a box. Now, this is perfect for all of those dies that you have that you're using for your card making, for your scrapbooking, for your banner making. Now you're taking them and turning them into a box. Perfect for little get-togethers. Now we get to have parties again pretty soon. We're all getting ready for our get-togethers now. Now you're going to have these little decorations. You could make it a treat box, put candies in there. This one I have cute little flowers in, but look at how cute this is. Here's a little rainbow. There's my little card, but look, I've turned it into a treat box. Now, I know a lot of you are saying, wow, that looks really awesome, but I'm a little afraid. I'm nervous. How hard or easy is that to do? Well, you know what, my friends? If it's not easy, I don't do it. So that is my rule about easy. So let me show you how easy it is. Here I have a cute little rainbow card, and I just have just a die ready to go. And then I'm going to die cut. You get two dies, two different sizes, and what you're going to do is scores it gorgeous for you. What you're going to do is you're simply going to fold on all of those scores. Boom, boom, boom. Easy, easy. No guessing. You're just going to drop all those down, and then you're going to score on all of these. Now, this fits any size larger, but you're also getting two, so you're going to be able to make a smaller one also. I'm going to add adhesive on the top of all of these tabs, and you're going to go a lot slower than I am. I'm just going nice and fast. I'm going to add some adhesive, and then I'm going to take my die, start at the bottom. This flat piece right here is the bottom. I'm going to take that at the bottom, press down, and now I'm going to go up the sides of the die. I'm going to turn it around. I'm going to go up the sides of the die. It is going to conform to any size. For example, here I have it on a truck. Look how big that truck is. You can make it on any size. Here's a little butterfly. Here's the sun. Same die on the inside, but it will conform to whatever size die you have. Now I'm going to add the back on the back. I'm going to put my fingers in there, and I'm going to just press on those tabs. And now look at that. I have quick and easy. That was as easy as can be. Any die that you have now, you can turn into a box. We can put little treats in there. We can put little confetti or anything we want. So now whenever you have a little themed party, you can take this, and now your invitations and your thank you notes will now match the decor, because now you have that cute little box. You can put little things in it. Now remember, I said you get two. Here is a little version. See this? This is the little one. And again, I have rooms for my little treats. I can put my little treats in there, and look at how cute that is. Imagine your table all dressed up, ready to go. And you know what? This is so easy. In fact, for my grandson's twin first birthday, I had all of these all around the table, decorating the table with little treats, and everybody was like, oh, wow, Stephanie, you're so awesome. And I'm like, oh my gosh, if you guys knew how easy it was. Now, did I tell them how easy it was? No, they're not crafters. They don't need to know. But any crafters, of course, they're going to know how easy this is. Now, look at this one. Here's a cute little birdhouse. And again, you can keep it a card if you want, but then look how simple that little box is. And now imagine that on your table. You can make it a little place setting. You can have Aunt Mary's name on there. You can put anybody's name on there. So simple and so easy. So easy, my friends, that I have to tell you, my husband made this one, okay? My husband made a video, and he made this one. So if my husband can do it, anybody can do it.
I love it. And Stephanie, I'm going to jump in for a second here, because I want everyone to know this is the only airing of the day. Here are some other dies on the table that we also have available. What you're getting with this is a large box, and a small box. And these are the dies that you can make any card, any, you know, crafting paper turn into a box. So you'll use these forever. 4.8 out of 5 stars. This is reviewed so highly. We just got a few back in stock. It also comes with an idea book. I love the idea book because you're like, all right, I've got it now, but you know, give me some ideas. I'm not really sure what I should do. Here's like that little coffee. I love that. But, you know, the puppy in the box, you know, it's basically anything you have, you can turn it into a box. And we've got some other great dies here. If you would like to pick up the picnic basket and sunflower dies, we have those available. I've got the corgi and puppy, and you can make that into a box. But really, also you can grab these, but for $22.95, you think about that, anything you already have die-wise, we've got large and small, make them into decorative boxes. And you can use like high-end papers with foils. You could have them in, you know, on a wedding table for that little wedding gift. You can do it as, you know, where people are gonna sit. Those little, you know, tags where you sit, you can use it for those. It's just limitless, Stephanie, what you can do with these. And we really don't have anything else. I've never seen anything else like this.
You know what? That's true. And it's, again, it's dies you are going to use in 10 years. I'm going to get emails of people saying, I'm still using those dies, because these are dies that you're going to use anytime you have people over. Or what if you wanted to give someone a gift card? How cute would it be to make this cute picnic basket? And as you mentioned, that picnic basket is on hsn.com. Why don't you put this picnic basket, use the box that die, and put a little gift card in there? Can you imagine giving this to someone instead of a flat card, giving them this and say, oh yeah, there's a little gift in there for you? I mean, people are going to go crazy, and they're going to say, you did not make it. And you're going to say, haha, yes, I did. And they're not going to believe you, because it looks like something that you would have purchased at the store, because it just looks absolutely stunning. And again, it is going to work with any size die you have, any die you already have, any company's die that you already have, it will work with. Now, of course, it works great with my little corgi dog and the little puppy dog that you have there also. But you can use it with any die that you have. And look at how cute, look at the presentation alone when you give this to someone is really going to make them just go, wow. And imagine having this on your table and then telling everybody at your little party or your get together, guess what? You get to take that home. They are just going to be stunned, because your little invitation was the picnic basket, and now they're seeing the picnic basket again on the table with the cute little box, and it's just definitely going to wow everybody that you give it to. They're not going to believe that you made it, and again, you are getting 2, so you're getting 2 different sizes to fit any size die that you have. And again, this is a long one. Here we have a long one. It will fit on any die, so it's absolutely awesome. And as you mentioned, we do have that idea book, so check that out also. That comes with it.
Yeah. All right. Well, Stephanie, thank you so much. I love, here's the idea book that's included. You're getting the dies for the large box and for the small box. You can make beautiful, elegant boxes. You can make casual, fun boxes. You can make birthday boxes, party boxes, just, you know, take a snack to work box. I just absolutely love this. Or gift boxes to put the gift itself inside the box instead of, you know, buying them, and you can create it with any paper. So keep shopping. By the way, I am live on Facebook. I've got my tablet out here, so if you want to comment during